Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin with two essential prerequisites: an admin Windows account and a working Office install. Once confirmed, disable VPN and any aggressive firewall temporarily to avoid activation blocks. Now open Command Prompt as administrator. This gives you the permissions needed for product key and licensing commands. Make sure you run the CMD from start, right-click, choose Run as administrator. You do this first because subsequent license tools will fail without elevated rights and an unobstructed network path to Microsoft servers. Once an admin CMD, navigate to the correct Office folder Program Files or Program Files, x86, because OSP, VBS lives there. Next run cscript OSP, VBS/D status to inspect license identifiers and error codes. This tells you why activation failed. If you have a valid product key, run cscript OSP, VBS/INT your 25 char key, then immediately run cscript OSP, VBS/ACT to force activation. You do this sequence to replace corrupted keys and push a fresh activation request to Microsoft. Finalize by verifying activation with cscript OSP, VBS/D status again. If it shows licensed, restart Word and confirm. If you use KMS, reset host entries using cscript OSP, VBS/remis then /setst, then /act. When commands fail with file-related errors, run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair system components. Then retry activation. These fixes address corrupted licensing files. If problems persist, record the exact error code and contact your admin or Microsoft support for assisted resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.